Gumball. Hey, Penny. Wanna walk me to the canteen? Definitely not. Definitely not now, but maybe later? She's not my girlfriend! What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? I know. I'll just run away and hide forever.
Again? Surely there's something you're good at.
I guess I'm just good at being happy.
Well, that's not good enough, little man. As of tomorrow, I'm turning you into a winner. But right now...
I think Gumball's made this situation bad enough. Let me speak to her, girl to girl. Masami, look into your heart! You're not a violent person! Okay, Gumball, your turn.
Richard, how are the boys doing?
Oh, I'm playing!
Richard, check on them, please.
Hey, boys, you all right? Yeah, we're all right. Yeah, they're all right.
What you did right is spelt wrong. Dods or Dar? Sounds like an alien choosing a baby name.